Representative Greg Stube introduces bill to deport Prince Harry and other immigrants on drug charges. Welcome to Royal Hour. Please subscribe to stay updated with all latest updates from the UK royal family. The SPARE Act targets left-wing celebrities like Prince Harry, who allegedly lied about their drug use. Last week, Representative Greg Stube, RFL, passed the Substance and Possession Abuse Restrictions for Entrance Act, SPARE, which would strengthen visa enforcement by permanently banning US immigrants accused of false drug-related charges. And the alleged criminal who was specifically named in the bill: Prince Harry. The Biden administration has deliberately refused to enforce our country's immigration laws on the southern border, and it appears they may be obstructing the fair and equal enforcement of our visa laws as well. Left-leaning celebrities like Harry having a self-recorded history of illegal drug use must adhere to the same standards as other foreigners and enforcement of our country's immigration laws, the official said. In his book SPARE, which to be the name of the bill, Prince Harry admitted to experimenting with cocaine when he was 17, but was apparently hooked on cannabis and psilocybin in his early years. About 15% of Americans have tried cocaine at some point, and half of Americans have tried cannabis at some point. I introduced the SPARE Act because if you are caught lying on your visa application, you should be deported immediately. If the executive branch is granting waivers on the basis of drug usage to individuals who enter the US, this information should be publicly available. We must ensure that no one benefits behind closed doors. The bill H.R. 5178 is still in its early stages and was recently referred to the House Judiciary Committee. Rep. Stube's announcement reports that under U.S. law, visa applicants who are found to be drug abusers or addicts are inadmissible, as well as non-citizens who admit to using controlled substances. The same congressman is calling for at least a rescheduling of cannabis use for non-immigrants. Last January, Rep. Stube introduced the Marijuana Act 1 to 3 that he had pushed for years. Under the SPARE Act, the DHS director has 60 days after receiving correct information that a foreign national has knowingly provided false information regarding a controlled substance violation to investigate the allegations and, if confirmed, deport those individuals. The bill stipulates that anyone deported for this offense would be permanently barred from re-entering the country. In addition, controlled substance violation waivers issued by the Secretary of Homeland Security may be subject to a Freedom of Information Act, FOIA, request. Other conservative groups are also pushing for Prince Harry's deportation. Last March, the Heritage Foundation, a conservative think tank that has been active for more than 50 years, demanded Prince Harry be deported after he confessed to using drugs, such as marijuana and cocaine. Prince Harry lives in the United States on a visa, and does not intend to apply for permanent residency or US citizenship, despite his eligibility. He left the royal family, and moved to California in January 2020. In the controversial autobiography of Prince Harry's SPARE, published in January of this year, he revealed that he first snorted cocaine when he was 17, and several times thereafter. He also toked up after his first date with Meghan Markle. "It started as a hobby and I started to realize how good it was for me," Harry said. "I think it's one of the most fundamental things in my life that changed me and helped me deal with past trauma and pain." Prince Harry also detailed his shrooms adventures, toilet conversations and bizarre visions. The High Times has been following reports of his marijuana use since at least 2017. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video.